Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a premium tabletop speaker that blends timeless design with powerful sound, the Klipsch Heritage Wireless The 1-2 Tabletop Stereo in Walnut. If you appreciate rich audio, classic aesthetics, and simple everyday usability, this speaker is built to impress. Right out of the box, the design makes a statement. The real wood walnut veneer, tactile knobs, and vintage-inspired grille give this speaker an unmistakable heritage look. It feels solid, premium, and thoughtfully crafted, something you'll proudly display on a desk, shelf, or side table rather than hide away. Sound quality is where the 1-2 truly shines. Klipsch's legendary acoustic engineering delivers a warm yet detailed sound signature. The stereo separation is impressive for a compact tabletop speaker, with crisp highs, clear mids, and surprisingly deep bass for its size. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or background audio throughout the day, the sound remains clean and distortion-free even at higher volumes. Wireless performance is smooth and reliable thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music instantly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Pairing is fast, and once connected, the signal stays stable. There's also an analog input, making it easy to connect turntables, computers, or other wired audio sources for added flexibility. The top-mounted controls are simple and satisfying to use. You get physical knobs for volume and source selection, which feels far more intuitive than touch controls. This makes everyday use effortless, even for users who prefer classic controls over apps and menus. This speaker is ideal for music lovers who value both sound and style. It works perfectly in bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and small apartments, delivering room-filling audio without the complexity of a multi-speaker system. It's not just a speaker, it's a piece of audio furniture that enhances the space around it. If you want premium sound, elegant design, and dependable wireless performance in one compact package, the Klipsch Heritage Wireless The 1-2 is a fantastic choice. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab yours from the link below.